Welcome, I'm Elle Wilson and I'm here to speak to you about the risks of microblading. Now, as a beauty professional, you can imagine I have some beautiful colleagues, beautiful friends that are in the microblading world and I adore them, I love them. But here, I'm not here to talk about them, I'm not here to talk about professionals, I'm here to speak to you about the service, the treatment itself. Why didn't I choose to train my students in it? Why have I asked my students to stay away from microblading? There's a very, very real reason for that. There's just far too many risks associated with it. This treatment is a treatment that was brought out many, many years ago, and it was brought out in a very, very different way to the way it's being used right now. I'm not even saying it was the right thing back then, but right now we're seeing it so widespread that it's causing so many problems for women. Discoloration is one of them. Scarring is another. Not knowing how this particular treatment is going to react with your body's chemistry is another one. Fading in areas where you were just first instead of last, which you're very surprised at. So that leaves you with a brow that's much higher than the other, and you've got all this lopsidedness going on. Edges, corners fading, others not fading. It's just absolutely a nightmare. And the reason for that is because we've taken a treatment that is so flawed and we've pretended and made up that it is the answer for all brow problems. So I want to say to you here, please think carefully. Watch some of the videos that we have, even on TRUEBROW, where we're really pulling this apart. We don't want you to believe us. We want you to believe some of the experts themselves that are now moving away from this service and stepping into working with a woman's natural brow because they have seen the flaws and the consequences and the risks. So I am so excited that I get to come to you with all of this exciting information and the real facts, basically. No BS here. Thanks for being with me, and bye for now.